مرحبا, welcome back to Yalla Arabee وأهلا وسهلا فيكم جميع. We miss you all guys. I know we haven't been published any video since 2 weeks, and because we get a new mic and then the lights, it's the quality, we're making the quality higher basically. So today we're gonna make a class which is gonna change your Arabic from good to better, from better to the best, okay? So it's the most important class as a grammar for B1. This is called Yalla Arabee verb, which is we already have explained. But now because we got some like comments about the sound wasn't that clear. So I hope now it's better. So let's start. So firstly, we have the verbs that has vowel letters, which is always make the students confused, right? So the vowel letters, firstly, we should know the vowel letters. What is the vowel letters means? And what are they? E, O, R, right? And we choose 3 verbs, which has the vowel letters, E, R, O. We start with the E, 1. So we have the root. Mostly the root of the verb has 3 letters, right? So G, E, B. Jeeb. Jeeb, which is to bring, right? So this is jeeb, this is the root of the verb. And now we're gonna add the imprefix and the suffix. It depends the personal pronoun. Ana, for example, bjeeb, right? I add B. Inta bit jeep. Inti E. Inti E. Bit GB. Into O. Bit جيبو. مظبوط؟ Okay. For we, نحنا منجيب. هو بيجيب. بيجيب. The E a bit soft that you don't really hear it. بيجيب. So هو بيجيب, هي بتجيب, هني بيجيبوا. بيجيبوا. If you have noted, for انتي, انتو, وهني, there is imprefix and suffix. Imprefix, which is the thing that you add in the beginning of the word or the verb, and the suffix in the end. So بتجيبي, بتجيبي, بتجيبوا, بيجيبوا. تمام? Okay, now we're talking about the present verb. So this is the thing that it called Yalla Arabee verbs. Yalla Arabee verbs, which is the irregular verb. We collect all of them and we put it in the package, let's say, and we call it Yalla Arabee. Name it whatever you want to name. Doesn't matter. But just to know, how could you deal with this kind of verbs? The verbs, for example, that has vowel letter. So we put the first example with E. Now the example with A. Nam. Nam is the root of the verb, 3 letters. And so for I, now you try to say before me. Okay? So I بنام. أنا بنام. أنت بتنام. أنتِ بتنامي. أنتِ بتنامي. You see? أنتو أو أنتو بتناموا. بتناموا. ونحن مننام. How many? Oh, just one. مننام. وهو بينام. Okay, نحن مننام shouldn't be put to na in the same verb. It can be مننام, so it doesn't work. So هو نحن مننام, هو بينام, هي بتنام, وهني بيناموا. برافو. تمام؟ طيب. عظيم. So بجيب بتجيب بنام بتنام. Now we're gonna start the verb with the O in the middle, which is the verb that it's the most maybe important verb in all the languages, which is we have already made a video about kun, which is to be, So this verb, we don't really use it in Arabic like English. There is certain cases that you use kun with it. We use be with it. That we will talk about it later, or we already talk. You can go and watch, like write to be or فعل kun, and you're gonna know when could we use kun. Okay? But now let's try to add the prefix for فعل kun. So kun is the root. أنا بكون. I am basically. أنا بكون. So يلا let's conjugate the other verb. أنت بتكون. أنتي بتكوني. أنتو بتكونوا. نحنا منكون. هو بيكون. هي بتكون. هني بيكونوا. هني بيكونوا. تمام؟ عظيم؟ ممتاز. So now this is for the verbs with vowel letters. We can give you an example to try in the comments. Leave it in the comment, and of course we're always saying, you know, if there is mistake, we're gonna correct it to you. This is how we learn. We should make mistake. 1 مرتين وثلاثة وأربعة وفifth وsixth. عادي. It's normal. We all make mistake. But to don't correct this mistake just because you are shy for the other one to correct you or to feel embarrassing at some point for no reason, because all the people making mistake. This is يعني عادي, كتير عادي. طيب, now this is the verb that has vowel letter in the present. Okay? طيب. هلا بروح, which is to go. I go. روح is the root of the verb. This is one. Practice on it. Try on it. And don't hesitate if you have any question to ask about. So this is the first session. The second session, we're gonna talk about the same verbs but in the past. And as we always saying, don't hesitate if you have any question. We love to correct your mistake. This is how we learn. We make mistake كتير, and then we learn from our mistakes, right? So if you have any question, don't hesitate. Practice on this one. روح, and leave it in the comment. And I will see you next session. Bye bye.